Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? This is Dalton, and thank you for checking out my channel, Dalton My World. And today, what we're gonna do, I've been waiting for this a long time. We're gonna do a unboxing. That's right. We're gonna do a unboxing. We're not going to do a review because I have not used this product yet, but I am going to do an unboxing. I've been working hard and I've been wanting to get this particular product for a while. I saw it and I was like, you know what? I want to get that because I could see where I could use that in the future. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about right here. This is the Xfinity Prepaid Internet Starter Kit. Now this baby I got from Boost Mobile, okay, and actually went into a store and got it. Now you can order it online, all right, and you can order it. Oh, I got my cue cards, to let you know. You can order it from Amazon, Boost Mobile, as I stated, Walmart, and eBay, and there may be some other places, but usually the ones I saw on eBay, if they some of them were used, and me personally, yeah, you could buy it for $50. I saw one you could buy for $50, but me personally, I'll just go ahead and get the new one because you don't know what someone else may have done to the modem, and with the new one you got the guarantees. Now what's cool about this is, I'm going to put this up, this particular starter kit right here. All right, and if you're Spanish, you speak Spanish, I'll put that up for you. You could read that. All right, this particular starter kit costs a total, at Boost Mobile, cost me a total of $90. Now, before you freak out, let me tell you ahead of time. For $60 that you're spending of that $90 is for the modem. Okay, so the modem is yours forever. Okay, and the other $30 of that $90 goes for right there, 30 days of internet. Okay, so the total combined, including tax, was $90. Okay, and if you get internet through Boost Mobile, they cut off $5, so it's only $40 a month. Okay, but the cool thing about this is pretty much on demand for the modem. Okay, so you can buy it 1 month, or you can only buy it for a week. Okay, let's say you buy it for a month, you don't need it for 3 weeks. Okay, then all of a sudden 1 week you do need it, you just buy a week. That's it. You buy as you go. Okay, now even if you have a bill, somebody asked me this, so I'm telling you, even if you have a bill with Infinity, you have an old bill with Infinity, it doesn't matter. This is coming through Boost's network. Okay, yeah, they're working with Xfinity, but this really is coming through Boost's network. Okay, so you can have an old bill like me. I have an old bill for about $100, but what I'm doing, either I'm using this, I'm paying off my old bill too, about in small payments. Okay, but you don't have to do that. Even if you have an old bill, you don't have to be without internet. You can use this. All right, now I also wrote down some things that I think you'd be interested in. Okay, all right, now this is what they call this, the starter kit. Okay, now Xfinity also has a on-demand internet that you can use. Now the on-demand internet is pretty cool. Okay, and if you would like me to make a separate video about that, because it really deserves its own video. Okay, if you would like me to make a separate video about that, okay, then please in the comments just you could just put in something like, please make other video, or please make video about Xfinity on Demand. Okay, and I will. And it's really, really cool because you don't need a modem for Xfinity on Demand. You don't need a modem. Okay, you just need a Wi-Fi capable device, even if it's your your government phone. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Now, when I bought this, okay, when I bought this, what they do is they'll go and they'll check your address, okay, to see if you already have it pre-installed, if you already have the wiring pre-installed, so you can use this. And if you don't, then they also have a workaround for that. You know, they may have to call somebody out and then put the wiring in there for you so that you can use it, okay? But they at the very store at Boost Mobile, they can just type in your address and tell you right then, okay, all right, you're set, $9, or okay, we got to get somebody to come out to put the wire in there, but you know, you'll be good to go. Now, they told me that I would, when I was at Boost Mobile, I gave them my phone number and they told me, okay, now it's going to be about 24 to 48 hours. You're going to get an email from us, and when you do that, then you're good to go. Okay. Now, I have heard that it takes 48 hours to set up the whole system. I don't know yet. Okay. I don't know because, like I said, this is unboxing and not a review. I haven't done that part yet. But what comes in this is this. You get your basic. This provides your basic internet, okay, for 30 days, okay, because you're paying for the whole thing, okay. You get all the equipment you need, which we'll see in a minute, all right. So you're going to get all the equipment you need, okay. And, oh yeah, you get your quick and easy instructions, okay. So they come in English and Spanish, okay, just like you saw the box right there. All right. Now, if you look closely right here at the bottom, see what says Xfinity at that website? You can buy it from that website. You can go to that website and punch in your address and see if you're ready. Okay? Just from that website right there. Okay? And there you go. Okay. I'm gonna give my Latin friends one more shot at that. Yeah. You can see all that. Yep. Okay. And that's what it tells you right there. You got 30 days. Oops, what is it? 30 days of internet service is included. That's what you see at 30 up there. Okay. So let's get to it, Chip. I'm really excited. I have been waiting for this for a while, saving up my money, you know, putting in the savings. I knew when I saw this, I wanted to get it. I was just waiting for the right time, you know. Also, with this, you can do gaming, like light gaming. You can do gaming, okay? You can do Skyping, okay? You can do work from home, okay? Because you have everything you need to use this right here, because it can also, even though it gives you Wi-Fi, it also can be directly connected to your computer, okay, which some work from home jobs ask you to do. So yes, you can use this for work from home jobs, okay. Also, this is awesome, like, because it works on all Linux, Mac, Apple, all the Wi-Fis, iOS, Android, all those phones and tablets and iPads, all that. It works on it as long as you have Wi-Fi, okay? And it works with the Windows, Linux, and Mac Direct Connect. That means that card goes from the modem directly to your device, okay? So that is awesome. That way you can use it for work from home, if you want, or even an extra work from home job that you might want to do, a part-time work from home job, as well as you do something else. Okay, so anything you need for Wi-Fi, this can do it. But this gives you basic internet. If you're a hardcore gamer, you might want to go ahead and invest in just the actual service from Comcast or whoever's in your area. Okay, this does let you do light gaming, but if you're one of those hardcore gamers on Twitch, this may not do it for you. Now, I've read reviews and they said this works great for YouTube, Facebook, streaming them, uploading videos to them, as well as Netflix and also DC Universe, as well as Disney. But they said for some reason there's an issue with Hulu. It's a little choppy. Anyway, let's do this. Okay. You see? Right there. That's your typical. And it says something about stream live TV and more. Since I don't watch television, I have to read about what that's all about. I don't know. Okay? Maybe they're just meaning like, oh, here's your package or how to put it together, your FAQs and all that stuff. All right? Let's open this up. Yeah. And that's the sweet modem. Look at that. Yeah. See? You can see that. That's the modem right there. Okay. I'm not going to show you all the stuff on the back, mainly because I have some techie smart friends and there's some information y'all really don't need to know. But that's the modem. You get the modem. And remember, I said it has ability to do direct connect. Boom. There you go. I think they call that a Cat 5 cable. But they have this cable right here. That if you want to directly connect it to your laptop, MacBook, computer, whatever. Okay. They give you that. That connects to your outlet from your wall to the modem. And of course, you get the power cord. So you got everything you need. Okay. And I'm keeping my box. There you go. Shows you right there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And that is my unboxing of. I can't wait to set this baby up. Trust me, I've been wanting to get this for a while. Okay, because I've been using my Boost Mobile $60 plan, which gets you 30 gigabytes of hotspot. But the problem that comes with that sometimes is that, it's been working great. I've been using that for my internet and hotspot. But the only problem I have with that sometimes is that, like, if you ever want to do a live cam, like on my YouTube channel, it's choppy. And you can take a look at the only one I did with a live cam. You can see it's choppy because I did it off of the Wi-Fi from my Boost mobile phone. Okay, so that kind of got choppy. So I might do some more live streamings in the future. Okay, but anyway, that opens up a whole new avenue. And like I said, the modem is mine. It's already got 30 days of internet. After that, I'll just pay for another another week for $15. That's it. All right. And I will do a review of the speeds and everything after I test it out. Okay. But that is my unboxing, and I thank you for coming and enjoying it and experiencing the unboxing with me for the first time with this particular product. All right, I ask you to click that red button, that red word that says subscribe. I ask you to give me a thumbs up. Okay, all right. And if you really hate my stuff, you know what to do. All right. Also, I ask you to share this with other people because a lot of people in this time of COVID-19, when they can't afford a lot of stuff, this right there, just buying that for $90, one, can help them get a work from home job. Two, that can help them that they can have, like if they got two kids, the two kids can play games. Well, they can do whatever they need to do. Okay. And I heard that when you get up to like four people, then you start getting lag. But if you got three people messing around playing with the Wi-Fi, I heard it's pretty good. And also, it's going to save you from using your prepaid Wi-Fi, that you bought. So therefore, let's say if you got the $50 plan, you still got 12 gigs of hotspot that you're not going to be. Well, you got that not hotspot, but you have your full download, so you can stream smoothly, and it won't run out. Okay, because you're going to be using this Wi-Fi in addition to what you have. So, and also, if you have a government phone, then you're not using your Wi-Fi. You're not using all that data. You're using this Wi-Fi right here. Okay, make things go longer. Okay, but then this really, really confusing time with the coronavirus and everything like that. Oh, oops, I said the word. Anyway, with this really confusing time with all that stuff, it's good to have something that is as versatile and flexible as this, okay? And it can get you where you need to go. But so I ask you to share this as well, all right? And of course, I love your comments. And I shall rap to you later. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Peace out.